So the first problem on here is 543. It says in chapter 1, you met Chris and her older sister Rachel, who made a system for determining which of them washed the dishes each night. Chris has been washing the dishes for much more than she feels is her fair share, so she's come up with a new system. She has proposed to Rachel that they get 2 coins, and on each day, she and Rachel will flip a coin and flip their coins at the same time. If the coins match, Chris washes the dishes. If they do not match, Rachel washes the dishes. And while we can explore using this e-tool right here, I don't find it helpful. So instead, what we're going to do is we're going to continue with the problem. And it says, Rachel thinks that this is a good idea, that her little sister is very silly. She thinks to herself, since there are 2 ways to match the coins, heads and heads, or tails and heads, and only one non-match, heads and tails, then Chris will still wash the dishes more often. Ah! Do you agree with Rachel? Why or why not? So on this problem right here, Rachel thinks that her sister's going to wash the dishes more often because heads and tails is 2 times that it'll come up, and just one non-match, which is heads and tails. So do you agree with her on that? So this is when when Rachel will do the dishes, is right here when this happens, whereas Chris washes the dishes when the 2 coins match. Do you agree with her? Why or why not? So I need for you to pause the video and you will write that answer right here. I want to be clear about this, that the only way you're going to get marked down for this is if you leave it blank. You either agree or you disagree. It doesn't matter which one you do, but make sure you justify why. What do you agree with her? Or if you disagree with her, why you disagree with her. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and stop this right now and then start in on the next video. Make sure you do fill this in, because if you leave it blank, you're not going to get credit for this problem.